Naway sila panaog so na nag-ano gina sila nagalibot-libot.
Hello, I come back with my new camera. Come on. Are you showing up? Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. I'm making a movie. Come on.
Ito na lipad na. Kadto to sa piya.
Hey. You hiding from me? Yes. Come back.
May reaksyon na sa amon to naglulupad mga green yaklo.
Come on. Yes. Victoria, kinuhanan kong purple, oh. Video kong purple. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, birdie, come back. We are here in cemetery of old St. Mary Church, built in 102. This is the new one, the latest of the. Oh! He just fly, oh, showing up.
Ato siya aga siya isa ka bilog oh.
Oh yes, he was showing up. Yeah, come back. Come back. Hello. Where's your Dabby? Where's your girlfriend? Oh, that's your girlfriend now. Oh, nag-show up na sila, Victoria. Oh. Yeah, ayan na. That's your boyfriend now. Oh, waiting for you. Yes. Oh, showing up. Up. Yeah, they come that always in the tree, that their favorite. When I come in here, they come in here. Ito sila tanan, no? Mga ito mo.
Oo.
Atong pispis nga to sa balay nga nakuha ko. Amo na siya. Dua sila, oh. Dua.
Sa babaw na nalupad
Na, naga-show up.
na ato no sa babaw ta saas.
Oh,
Bilog. Na galupad-lupad oh. Labay yan ko. May nest ko sila eh.
Showing up. Pasikatero. In the Philippines, you already cook. Di ba, Victoria?
Oo, ganda ako kanila.
Diretso na kayo sa kawali. Litson, sumsuman, sa tuba, kag beer. You're lucky you are in the Australia. You can live longer. In the Philippines, straight in the kawali, litson. Adobo.
Traduron na lang nila.
Ay, traduron. Tirador.
Oo.
Tirador.
Siya. Siling siya.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're having fun. We're having shooting here in cemetery of Christianos. Dad is happy. Dad is listening there. Yeah. See, Dad is in a big shade of a big gum tree. No, pine tree, sorry. That's a big pine tree. Yeah. He's showing up. Come back here, you two. Na-istoro. Ayan, lumipad. I'm gonna call the rain tonight. That's the rain tonight. Amo na ang whistle panawag si nanay. Siling niya, day, panihol para sa ulan. Amo nin para sa ulan ay.
Nauna din. Come down. Yan ako.
Nakahangin, no? Ba't yaga, Victoria? Panihol ako para sa ulan, tanawang hangin.
Ganun siya man. Naula siya.
Are you still there to lover? Ay, you still there. You still there. Look at that, Victoria. Victoria is enjoying. Yeah. We're enjoying having a filming here. Beautiful place. Very peaceful. Peaceful to come in here. During the day, very peaceful. During night time, it's dark. Yeah, very peaceful. Very peaceful place. Very peaceful. Nice weather. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful day.